Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule posts and manage your Instagram content calendar. First, you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. Also, make sure that your Instagram application is updated. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your page to create a new post. Next, select the image or video that you want to post. Additionally, you can add music, text, filters, and other editing elements to your content. Once you are done with that, click on the next button. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. You can find this in the menu. Here, simply enable the Schedule this Reel option. Now you have the option to select the date and time for when you want your content to be published. Whether it is a photo, video, or reel, the process remains the same. Once you have chosen the desired date and time, tap on Done. After that, go back to the previous page and tap on the Schedule button located at the bottom right. After setting the time, wait for a few seconds or minutes until your photo or reel uploads. So you can just tap on it and view it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.